But, ewan ko.
At saka, sa mga classmates ko, malinis ko kayong lahat. At saka, siyempre, pag nasa harap ako, pag nagsasalita ako ng mabilis, siyempre, namimiss ko yung trabaho ko. Kasi, yung pagsasalita ko pag nasa harap ako, namimiss ko yung on-air ako.
First impression. Josefina. You're welcome. Very good.
Sana apply natin yung mga natutunan natin.
Very good advice.
Good luck.
Luck to everybody. First impression.
Maraming salamat din po dahil sa klase mo nagkaroon natin ng maraming pag-asa.
Very good.
Maraming.
First impression.
Teacher.
Astig. Like that.
First impression, Timo.
Okay. Sir Cristobal and then sorry. Adelina. Message first. Bakit nagpa-blush? What is the blush? Why? Call us again, it's 11:30. Try to call again. Okay, first impression. Rock.
Wow!
Okay, let's go back to our tearjerker.
Anya Pinero Sir. You look like Arjun Minette.
You're the
journey.
365 person who said that.
Mm.
Message? That's right.
Okay, thank you, sir, for... Masala kasi ako, kaya yung pamagsabi.
Okay lang. Yeah, this is the last day anyway.
Namimiss kong klase na to eh.
Ovi, you're making us cry. Mamimiss mo kami.
That is so rude.
Ang bait. Ang bait ng bata. Ang bait ng bata.
Maybe they're not. Okay. Do not cry. And I wish you all the best.
Yun nga, kasi ako sa bahay lang ako. So, every morning, talagang gumigising ako ng maaga para makapasok ng maaga. Kahit dyan lang ako sa Libertad. Kasi sa bahay nakakanong ko. Text na lang.
Send us message. Sure. Happy graduation, everybody. And don't forget your graduation English classroom photocopier.
Oh,
What's with Bogart? Is that your NS
Nickname?
No! Artist ko!
Their dog name? Our dog's name.
Kasi, Ten.
2167.
2167.
Delivery charge, 197.
So,
Yung pay na bigay mo pa.
Irene.
Pero lang sila, 197.
We're pretty included.
Michael.
Lahat pinipit ko na. Richard!